Lesson 5, Filament and AMS Basics. Curious about what these beautiful 3D printed models are actually made from? It all starts with filament, the material that makes every print possible. Think of it as the ink inside a 3D printer. High-temperature filament melts and flows precisely along the preset route, extruded layer by layer with perfect accuracy, cooling and hardening almost instantly. For beginners, the first filament to know is PLA. Made from cornstarch, it's low odor and easy to print with. Whether you're making ornaments, toys, or decorations, PLA is the natural starting point. And the Bambu PLA range gives you a wide choice of colors and finishes to explore. Ready to push further? Meet PETG, the go-to when you need something stronger. More heat-resistant, tougher, more wear and drop resistant than PLA, and with excellent water resistance too. Of course, there's a whole world of filament types beyond these two. If you're not sure which one fits your project, open the filament section on the Bambu Lab website and filter by what you need. Now, what if you want to print a single multicolor model all in one go? That's where the Bambu AMS comes in. Load up to 4 spools at once, and the AMS automatically switches colors during printing. No manual filament changes, no stopping halfway through. Just a smoother way to bring colorful ideas to life. And the AMS is not just for color. It also supports intelligent filament recognition and automatic filament backup, so your workflow feels easier from start to finish. With the AMS 2 Pro, you also get moisture protection and active drying, helping keep your filament ready and your print quality more consistent. So start with PLA. Step up to PETG when your project needs more strength. And when you're ready to print with more color and confidence, let the AMS do the heavy lifting. Want to keep learning? Visit Bambu Lab Academy at bambulab.com/academy.